Thomas is a tank engine who lives in a big station off the island of Salvador. He's a cheeky little engine with six small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy door. Hello guys, it's Missy Soul, and it's a very important day of my life. And I want to share with you guys. This is the 40th anniversary of Thomas and Friends. As you heard it, yes, it's a very epic day. I've been waiting this for a long time since last year, I think. But anyway, let's get this over. So, what I what is the so what I what I select as the gift for this day? The complete collection of the Railway series. Wow! Look at the books. My favorite one is this. It has Rumwell, but anyway. This is the story that started all, well, at least in the TV series order, because Thomas the Tank Engine is the main character of these new books, these new editions, but it looks cool anyways. One difference is from the original 2018 prints is, at least in case of the three railway engines, they had a much darker shade. This is the complete collection edition, and this is the 2018 print that came on Amazon. This has the barcode and this not. But anyway, Thomas was a tank engine who lived on a big station. He had six small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler, and a short stumpy dome. Anyway, I like that book. But sadly, they shadowed Thomas over this. But we'll talk about it later. Something like 2025. You know, I used to watch the Spanish dub of Thomas on Thomas Latino 1. The first episode of I watched in that channel, I think it was Edward and Gordon, or Edward Strikes Out. Oh no, Edward Helps Out. Sorry. My favorite book of the Railway series, in Peter and Edward's era, will be Mainline Engines. I'm sorry, I'm sick. I have throat sickness, so my voice sounds a little bit weird. And also, it's cloudy. I think. Do you guys? Do you remember seeing a? If you are from the early 80s, if and you born in the UK, when Thomas premiered, this was the sad state of the sky, or it was sunny. I think it was cloudy because it is fall. But anyway, sorry for that. Anyways, I explain my story. Remember that I said about that channel that put the Spanish dub? Also, I watched a little of the English dub, both Michelangelo's and George Carlin. And as a kid, I don't know this word from VHS rapes. For example, Grandpa or rape of this VHS, but because at the time many people even know the DVD exists, and it was my childhood along with other things like Baby Einstein. This is a Spanish dub of Baby Monet discovering the seasons, etc. Anyway, mm, I like this one. This one is funny. This one is so very interesting. Oliver is my favorite character of the Great Western. Hmm, what I say is my favorite character? I. It's a very complicated one because Thomas obviously is the main character and starred in many episodes that stay in my heart. But Toby, it's a strange case. Toby has the most strangest art in the TV series. I say my least favorite book is James the Red Engine because the stories feel rushed. There is nothing there is nothing complex in the character of James. Hmm, hmm, that's it for my least favorite book of the railway series.